Dive into dropshipping, your gateway to easy earnings. Dropshipping is a fantastic business model. It's perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs. Why? Because you don't need to handle inventory. Imagine this, you sell products online, but a third-party supplier handles storage and shipping. This means less work for you, more time to focus on growing your business. That's the power of dropshipping. Dropshipping's popularity is exploding. People crave financial freedom. They want flexibility. Dropshipping offers both. It's a low-risk business model. You don't need a warehouse full of products. This makes starting very affordable. No wonder it's a top choice for many. But don't mistake easy entry for guaranteed success. Dropshipping demands dedication. You need to hustle. You need to outsmart the competition. Focus on marketing and customer service. That's how you win in the dropshipping game. Remember, dropshipping isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a real business. Treat it that way and you'll be on your way to earning passive income. Ready to dive in? Let's go! Setting up shop, a step-by-step guide to dropshipping. Ready to launch your dropshipping empire? Great. Let's break it down into simple steps. First, choose your niche. What products excite you? What do people need? Research is key here. Find a niche with high demand but low competition. Next, find reliable suppliers. Platforms like AliExpress and Salehu are gold mines. Look for suppliers with good reviews. Fast shipping is crucial. Don't compromise on quality. Your supplier is your backbone. Now build your online store. Shopify is user-friendly and popular. Choose a theme that aligns with your brand. Product photos must be high quality. Write compelling descriptions. Make it easy for customers to buy. Finally, set up payment processing. PayPal and Stripe are popular choices. Test your checkout process. Make sure it's smooth and secure. Congratulations, your dropshipping store is ready. Now let's get those sales rolling. Finding your niche. Choosing products and suppliers that deliver. Choosing the right niche is like finding a gold mine. It can make or break your dropshipping business. Don't just sell anything. Sell something you're passionate about, something you understand. Think about trending products. What are people craving? Use tools like Google Trends. Explore social media for inspiration. Look for products with wow factor. Unique items sell better. Finding the perfect supplier is like finding a business partner. They need to be reliable. They need to deliver on time. Vet them carefully. Order samples. Test their communication. Remember, your supplier impacts your brand's reputation. Don't settle for less. Choose quality over cheap prices. Happy customers mean repeat business. Invest time in finding the right partners. It's worth it. Section 4. Marketing Magic. Spreading the word and raking in sales. You've got amazing products. You've got a beautiful online store. Now let the world know, marketing is your megaphone. Use it wisely. Social media is your best friend. Create engaging content. Run targeted ads. Facebook ads are powerful. Instagram is perfect for visuals. TikTok is great for short, catchy videos. Find your audience, tailor your message, offer discounts and promotions, drive traffic to your store. Email marketing is still king. Collect emails, send out newsletters, offer exclusive deals, build relationships with your customers, make them feel special. Customer service is key. Respond promptly, solve problems quickly. Remember, word of mouth is golden. Encourage happy customers to leave reviews, offer referral bonuses, build a community around your brand, make people love your store. The sales will follow. Section 5. Reaping the rewards. The perks of passive income with dropshipping. Dropshipping done right can be a goldmine of passive income. Imagine waking up to sales notifications. Money flowing in while you sleep. That's the dream. But it takes work, it takes dedication. The beauty of dropshipping is flexibility. Work from anywhere. Set your own hours. Be your own boss. Spend more time with loved ones. Travel the world. The possibilities are endless. Dropshipping is scalable. Start small. Reinvent your profits. Grow your business at your own pace. No need for massive upfront investments. It's a low-risk, high-reward model. But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Be patient. Be persistent. Stay adaptable. The world of e-commerce is constantly changing. Learn, adapt, and thrive. Dropshipping can be your ticket to financial freedom. Believe in yourself and go for it.